What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this GMC Sierra remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2019 to 2023 GMC Sierra, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look down here near the key ring, there's a notch right here that'll allow you to get your screwdriver in, and we're going to pop this back cover off. But instead of coming right in the middle like this, which it will work and a lot of people do, what I'm going to do is start by coming all the way over to the edge of the notch like this and pop that side up. Then I'm going to come all the way over to this side and pop that side up. The reason I'm doing it that way is these little tabs right here are prone to breaking, and doing it that way will help prevent that. Then once we pull that back cover off, we can see our battery right here. To get the battery out, I'm going to take my screwdriver and come up to this part of the battery right here and just use it to carefully pop it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Now I'll grab my back cover, and I'm going to start the top of it on first like this, kind of hook it on like that, and then snap it down into place, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.